Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope that all of you are fine. Today we are going to talk about the next lesson, the second lesson in our second unit, which is talking about electricity, about dangers of electricity and how we deal with it. Okay, let's start our lesson. Before starting our lesson, we have to start with discussion of objectives. You know that we use electricity in our daily life, and it's useful for us as we use it in many devices in our life. So you have to list some benefits of electricity in our daily life. Also, you have to compare between electric conductors and electric insulators, and those are objectives of our lesson. Okay. So after discussion of our objectives, which are lists of benefits of electricity in our daily life, and compare between electric conductors and insulators. A lot of energies in our daily life have benefits and dangers if we use them without precautions. You know that we have a lot of energies in our daily life, like sound energy, like heat energy, like electric energy, and so on, and we use it in many of activities in our daily lives. But can you tell me some benefits of electricity in our daily life? Yes, like cooking food and preserving food in the fridge. So cooking food and preserving food is one of the most important useful benefits of electricity in our daily life, and also we can use it to light our houses and factories and streets and so on. Also, the third useful benefits of electricity in our daily life, like operating some machines and radios, televisions, and so on. So electricity is important in our life because it is used in many of devices, like cooking food and preserving food in the fridge, like lighting houses and factories and so on, and also watching TV and playing PCs and so on. So electricity is important on our life. The second objective, which is talking about electric conductors and electric insulators. You know that there is some types of materials that conduct electricity and other types of materials which don't conduct electricity. Materials which allow electricity to flow through them, like iron and aluminum and copper or metals, they are called electric conductors. So they are materials that allow flow of electricity through them, like copper and mineral solutions, or lead or aluminum or copper. They are materials which electricity can flow through it and can move through it. While on the other hand, we have electric insulators that are materials which don't allow electricity to flow in them, like wood and copper. If you connected a wood or rubber to an electric circuit, the electric circuit will still open, so it won't conduct electricity, and the device which is connected to the circuit won't be able to run or play or turn it on. So we have two types of electric conductors, or materials can be classified into two types according to ability to conduct electricity into two types, which are electric conductors, yes, bravo, and the other type is electric insulators. Who can tell me the definition of electric conductor? Yes, electric conductor, they are materials that allow the electricity to flow through them, like water and minerals and copper and aluminum. And on the other hand, we said we have electric insulators, which are material don't let the electricity flow through them. Electricity can pass through them. So like wood, plastic, glass, clothes, rubber, those are called electric insulators. Electric wires are made of copper, and they may also made of aluminum, which are conducting materials. Yes, while electric wires covered with plastic. Why the electric wires are covered with plastic? Give reason. Yes, because plastic is an insulating material, so electricity can flow through it, so you can protect yourself from electric shock. And this is the end of our session, but before finishing we have to watch this video so you can understand the electric conductors and the electric insulators.
Electric conductors and insulators. We all have observed electrical wires in various electrical appliances such as the stereo system, the television, or a table lamp. Notice the electrical wires attached to all these appliances appear to be made of plastic or rubber. Would you like to understand more about these wires? Take a piece of a free electric wire. With the help of a blade, peel one end of this wire in such a way that the colored coating is removed. What do you find? Inside the coating there is a metal wire. But why is this metal wire covered with a plastic material? Let us understand this important concept by performing a simple experiment. We have already studied in electric circuit that when a bulb is connected to a cell, the bulb glows. Here, the wires have been used to complete the connection. Now, cut one of the wires from the center and remove a little plastic coating from both the ends. Now you can see that a gap is formed in the circuit, not allowing the two wires to touch each other. Fill this gap with objects made of different kinds of materials, such as a coin, a wooden piece, a pin, and an eraser. First, place the coin in the gap of the circuit. You observe that the bulb glows. Now replace the coin with a wooden piece. This time the bulb does not glow. Repeat the experiment with a pin. Again, the bulb glows. But when the pin is replaced by an eraser, the bulb does not glow. Record the observations in a table. Different observations in the table show that certain materials, such as a wooden piece and an eraser, do not allow the electric current to pass through them, due to which the bulb does not glow. On the other hand, some objects like coin and the pin allow electric current to pass through them. This is indicated by the glowing bulb. Hence, we can categorize different materials under two types, insulators and conductors. The materials which do not allow the electric current to pass through them are called insulators. The materials which allow the electric current to pass through them are called conductors. Hence, in the circuit, the metal wire through which the current flows is a conductor. Therefore, switches, sockets, and the electrical plugs all have conductors inside them, which allow the current to pass through them. These conductors and other parts of the appliances which come in contact with our body are covered with insulators like plastic and rubber. This is done to protect our body, which is a good conductor of electricity.
Thank you for watching, and this will be the end of the session. Thank you for your patience, and I hope that you understand the lesson well. Okay, see you the next time. Goodbye. This will be the end of our show, or slides and lesson. Thank you for your patience, and I hope that you understand well the lesson. God save you and protect you. Until the next time, see you later. Goodbye.